Hi everyone, Sean here. I'm delighted to announce a new Udemy course called Java 8 Lambdas and Streams. It is my third course on Udemy. Please check out the description for free coupons. This is a course that's aimed squarely at two of the most interesting topics introduced in Java 8, namely Lambdas and Streams. I use a lot of code to explain the topics. With regard to Lambdas, I initially discuss functional interfaces, what they are, and Lambda's relationship to functional interfaces. I then implement a custom functional interface using a Lambda expression. I then implement many of the functional interfaces from the API using Lambda expressions. I discuss final versus effectively final, and I also discuss all of the different types of method references. I then move on to streams, where I discuss stream pipelines and stream laziness. I then look at terminal operations, intermediate operations, primitive streams, optionals, and finally parallel streams. So I hope you enjoyed the course. Thanks very much.